Hi, welcome to the Android development tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the history of Android. Let's get started. Let me make this simple. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system. It is based on a modified version of the Linux kernel. It is open source. This is designed for smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and TV. Now, who were the people behind the screens of Android? Android Incorporated was founded in Palo Alto, California, in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White. Later on, it was purchased by Google in 2005. Evolution of Android. Android 1.0 Alpha. It was the first version of Android, released on September 23, 2008. It supports a web browser, camera, email server. This version also contains Google Calendar, Maps, Sync, Search, Talk, Instant Messaging, Media Player, Notifications, YouTube Video Player, Alarm Clock, Calculator, Dialer, Gallery, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. The next version is Android 1.1 Beta. It was released on February 9, 2009. It doesn't contain greater updates but did some bug fixes and API changes. Also, details and reviews in Maps, save attachments in Messages, ability to show or hide the dial pad. Desert naming starts from Android 1.5 Cupcake. It was released on April 27, 2009. It is based on Linux kernel 2.6.27. It supports a third-party virtual keyboard, video recording and playback, copy and paste feature, animated screen translations, auto-rotation option, ability to upload a video to YouTube, upload photos to Picasa, check phone usage history. Android 1.6 Donut. It was released on September 15, 2009. It supports voice and text entry search, bookmark history, contacts, faster camera access, user can select multiple photos for deletion, support text-to-speech engine, WVGA screen resolutions. Android 2.0 to 2.1 Eclair. It was released on October 27, 2009. It is based on Linux kernel 2.6.29. It supports expanded account sync, Microsoft Exchange email, Bluetooth 2.1, ability to tap a contact photo and select to call, SMS, ability to search all saved SMS, MMS messages, delete the oldest message automatically when the defined limit is reached. Also, minor API changes, bug fixes, and framework behavioral changes. Android 2.2 to 2.2.3 Froyo. It was released on May 20, 2010. It is based on Linux kernel 2.6.32. It supports speed, memory, performance optimization through JIT compilation, integration of Chrome's V8, JavaScript engine, support Android Cloud to messaging service, Adobe Flash support, security updates, and performance improvement. Android 2.3 to 2.3.7 Gingerbread. It was released on December 6, 2010. It is based on Linux kernel 2.6.35. It supports updated UI design with increased simplicity and speed, extra large screen size and resolutions, enhanced copy or paste functionality, select a word by press holding, support near-field communication, headphone virtualization, and new download manager. Android 3.0 to 3.2.6 Honeycomb. It was released on February 22, 2011. It is based on Linux kernel 2.6.36. It supports holographic UI for tablet, added system bar, action bar, simplified multitasking, redesigned keyboard, quick access to camera, hardware acceleration, support for multi-core processor, UI refinements, USB accessories connectivity, support for joysticks and gamepads, high-performance Wi-Fi lock, and Google Books. Android 4.0 to 4.0.4 Ice Cream Sandwich. It was released on October 18, 2011. It is based on Linux kernel 3.0.1. It supports Adobe Flash Player, refinements to Holo UI with Roboto font family, separation of widgets in a new tab, integrated screenshot capture, improved error correction on the keyboard, improved copy and paste functionality, built-in photo editor, fixed minor bugs, and better camera performance. Android 4.1 to 4.3.1 Jelly Bean. It was released on July 9, 2012. It is based on Linux kernel 3.0.31. It supports a smoother UI, enhanced accessibility, fixed bug on Nexus 7, one-finger gestures to expand or collapse notifications, lock screen improvement, new clock app, Bluetooth with low energy, volume for an incoming call, 4K resolution, and native emoji support. Android 4.4 to 4.4.4 KitKat. It was released on October 31, 2013. It supports clock no longer display bold hours, wireless printing, web view based on Chromium engine, sensor batching, built-in screen recording feature, better application compatibility, camera application loads Google Plus Photo instead of Gallery, the quick settings for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Android 5.0 to 5.1.1 Lollipop. It was released on October 31, 2013. It supports redesigned UI, 64-bit CPUs, print previews, material design, Project Volta for battery life improvement, multiple user accounts, audio input and output through USB devices, join Wi-Fi networks, support for multiple SIM cards, device protection, high-definition voice calls, native Wi-Fi calling support. Android 6.0 to 6.0.1 Marshmallow. It was released on October 2, 2015. It supports the App Standby feature, introduces the doze mode to save battery life, native fingerprint reader support, runtime permission requests, USB-C support, Unicode 7.0 and 8.0 emoji support. Android 7.0 to 7.1.2 Nugget. It was released on August 22, 2016. It supports file-based encryption, zoom in the screen, multi-window support, new data saver mode, JIT compiler makes 75% faster app installation, picture-in-picture support, support manager APIs, circular app icons support, send GIFs directly from the default keyboard, battery usage alerts. Android 8.0 to 8.1 Oreo. It was released on August 21, 2017. It supports picture-in-picture support, Unicode 10.0 emoji, 5.0, restructured settings, adaptive icons, notification channels, notification dots, 2 times faster boot time, Google Play Protect, integrated printing support, neural network API, shared memory API, Android Oreo Go Edition, autofill framework, automatic light, and dark themes. Android 9.0 by. It was released on August 6, 2018. It supports a new UI for quick settings, displacement of the clock to the left of the notification bar, the screenshot button has been added, the battery percentage is always shown on the display, redesign of volume slider, gesture-based system interface, redesigned multitask app switcher. Android 10. It was released on September 3, 2019. It supports permissions to access location in the background, floating setting panel, support for an AV1 video codec, biometric authentication, WPA3 Wi-Fi security, foldable phones, notification bubbles, and new system-wide dark theme. Android 11. It was released on September 8, 2020. It supports chat bubbles, screen recorder, notification history, new permissions controls, one-time permission, wireless Android Auto on devices with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Android 12. It was released on October 4, 2021. It supports easier Wi-Fi sharing, AVIF image support, Material U, Gestures can work in immersive mode, performance improvements to system services to improve transitions, power efficiency, and reduce app startup times. Have you liked the desert naming of the Android versions? And what would be your name for Android 10, 11, and 12? Please comment down. And that's all for today. Thank you for coming, and subscribe for more.